Good morning. Thank you for coming today. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm glad to be here. I've been looking forward to this opportunity to discuss my qualification and learn more about the company.
Can you tell me a little about your educational background?
Certainly, I graduated with a diploma in protection from Yale University. To Throughout my studies, I focused on accounting, protection, and financial data analysis. I also worked on several academic projects that helped my effort this concept in practical ways, such as preparing financial reports and tax simulation.
That's great to hear. As you know, our company is looking for someone with a strong foundation in taxation and accounting. Can you tell me more about your experience with tax preparation and financial analysis? How do you stay up to date with change in tax law and regulation?
During my studies, I had the opportunity to work on several tax relation projects, include tax simulation and financial analysis. I also make it a point to stay current with challenge in tax laws and regulation by reading industry publication and attending seminars.
Excellent. Do you have any prior work or internship experience?
Not yet, but I'm eager to gain real-world experience. I'm confident that my academic background and my experience for learning will help me adapt quickly.
I see. Well, we do offer training and development program for our employees to help them grow and develop their skill. Can you tell me about a time when you had to learn something new and challenging? How did you approach it?
During my studies, I had to learn how to use accounting software that I had never used before. I approached it by reading the user manual and watching online tutorials. I also practical using the software on several data to get a feel for how I work.
That's great to hear. As a tax professional, attention to detail is crucial. Can you tell me about a time when you had to review and analyze financial data for accuracy and completeness?
In one of my academic projects, I had to review and analyzing financial data for a fictional company. I made sure double check all the number and ensure the data was accurate and complete.
Excellent. Why are you interested in working at our company?
I admire your company commitment of the efficient and complete with financial regulars that align well with me interest and career goals. I believe working hard will allow me to grow professional and contribute meaningfully.
That's great to hear. We're looking for someone who is not only qualified but also a good fit for our company culture. Can you tell me about your experience working in a team environment? How do you handle conflict or disagreements with team members?
I have had experience working on group projects during my studies, and I believe that effective communication and collaboration are key to success. If conflict or disagreement arise, I try to listen to the other person's perspective and find a solution that working for everyone.
Alright, Natasha. Thank you for your time today. We'll be in touch after the selection process.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm really appreciating and I'm looking forward to hear from you soon.
One more thing, Natasha. Can you tell me about your long-term career goals? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
My long-time career goals is to become a tax expert and contribution to the development of tech policy in Indonesia. I believe that this role will provide me with the opportunity to gain valuable experience and skill that will help me achieve my goals.
That's a great goal. Thank you, Natasha, for sharing your talk with us today. Do you have any question for me about the company or the role?
Yes, actually, can you tell me more about the company culture and the opportunity for professional development?
Certainly, our company culture is collaborative and supportive, and we prioritize employee development and growth. We offer training and development programs as well as opportunities for advancement and career growth.